Well, addiction is often noted as an epidemic of its own, with the pandemic causing the number of lives claimed to go from bad to worse. That's why a bipartisan group of lawmakers wants to reauthorize nearly $1 billion to help those who are currently struggling. Cameron Thompson goes in depth to explain tangible impacts that legislation could have here in Virginia.
Yeah, and Leland, we also spoke to the family of a Central Virginia woman whose name is attached to this legislation, saying that it's mind-blowing she's receiving this honor, and hope by sharing her story and the legislation tied to it, they will be able to save some lives.
That's one of my favorite pictures of her. She loves stars.
Bringing out a photo collage for the first time since her funeral, Carrie Colvin reminisces about her daughter, Summer Barrow.
She was a sparkler, that's for sure. She was very funny.
Barrow, then 32, died in January 2020, overdosing on a combination of cocaine, heroin, and fentanyl. Colvin says her addiction started after an oxycodone prescription from a 2016 car accident, and when it ran out, she turned to heroin.
She told me, "You don't care what else you do, you just want more."
Colvin says her daughter beat that through treatment after 2 years, but started up again about a month before her death, something Colvin isn't afraid to talk about, working to raise awareness on the issues and challenges those living with addiction face, along with their families.
When Summer was alive, I asked her, I said, "Do you mind if I talk about your addiction?" And she said, "It is your story too, Mom." So yes.
And when it comes to overdose deaths, Barrow's story is one of thousands in the U.S. Earlier this month, the CDC reported a record number, over 105,000 people died from an overdose between October 2020 to 2021. Now, Barrow's name headlines bipartisan legislation in Congress to reauthorize more than $900 million in grant money to help fight the drug epidemic, which has been exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic. Among the co-sponsors is Virginia Congresswoman Abigail Spanberger.
A dozen different grant programs that support state and community level work to fight addiction around the pillars and the principles of preventing addiction, treating it, and committing to those and supporting those in their recovery process.
The McShin Foundation in Richmond is among those who've benefited from the grants in the past and says they've used them to help those in jail, set up recovery housing, and transport people to appointments.
When we invest in recovery, we are, in fact, building stronger families, creating safer communities, and, building a healthy citizens all around us.
Colvin says she's grateful for her daughter's inclusion in the bill and has one hope for the initiatives it could fund.
Saving a life. These programs are going to save lives. Somebody else is not going to go through what we went through. And Summer would love that.
Now, coming up at 6, the McShin Foundation says the crisis they're dealing with is more than just drug overdoses. And if you or anyone you know needs help with either substance or mental health issues, the Federal Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration hotline is 1-800-662-HELP. Working for you in Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.